Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have the most epic unboxing ever. I'm so excited to look inside this box. I cannot tell you, it's been up here for about a week, but you guys know I've been MIA for about a week now, and even the week before, I only put out one video. I normally do 2 videos a week. But a lot's going on in my life right now, and I really appreciate all the support, all the prayers, and all of you that have reached out to me. So thank you all so much, and thank you for just being there for me. All right, guys, I also have a couple of items that I got from Amazon, so I definitely want to share them with you because I feel like some of you might really be interested in them. So we're gonna start out with that, and then we're gonna do the epic unboxing. If you want to see what I have to share with you, stick around. All right, we're just gonna jump right into this. All right, this is an item that I found on Amazon, and I already had a pair. Yes, they're shoes, and I'm gonna go ahead and show them to you right now before I open this box, but I had to get another color. So what do these look like? They look like the Gucci loafers, the Princetown loafers that I've been wanting. And you guys, the Gucci Princetown loafers are now close to $1,000. These are about $50, and they had really great reviews, and I bought this pair back when we were going to do that competition, and my friends Dawn and Cammie and Winnie and all of them, they were like, oh no, it has to be a handbag. So anyway, I've had these a while. I've worn them several times, as you can see, but you guys, these are so comfortable, so cute. Now, they're not leather. I don't even know, you guys. Maybe they are. Honestly, I don't know, but they're very cushy on the inside. Now, they don't have a smell to them anymore, but when I first opened the box, they did. But I'm gonna link these below if they're still available in my description box, because you're gonna wanna get a pair of these if you like the Princetown loafers, and they came in several different colors. So I love the white one so much that I went ahead and got another pair, and again, that's the brand, and it does take a while for them to come in, okay? I think they come from China. All right, so you see how they're packaged? They come in these little flimsy dust bags here, like this. Oh my gosh, and they have a smell. They have an obvious chemical smell, but it doesn't last because these, they don't have any kind of a smell at all. So I wanted to get another color. So of course I had to get the black ones. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the packaging off and show them to you with the packaging off of them. But they had pink ones, maybe red, I can't really remember, but there were several colors, and I came really close to getting the pink, but I thought, honestly, I'm not gonna wear pink shoes. What am I thinking? But black and white, you just can't go wrong. So for the price, like less than $50, you guys, here they are. And they're very true to size. I wear an 8, and these are a 38. So here they are. They have the horse bit on the top. There's the side, the cushy insole with the heart. I mean, would you know? Like, would you really know if these were Gucci or not? Because I wouldn't. If I saw somebody wearing these, I honestly would not know. And I don't know, you guys. I just think it's a great buy. And I've had these ordered a couple of months. It seems like it takes about 6 weeks. I could be wrong, but it does take a while for them to get here because I kept tracking them, and then yesterday they came, but I had tracked them yesterday morning and it said they were en route, but it didn't say out for delivery. It never said that. So weird. But anyway, guys, they're here, and I'm so excited to have both of these And I'm gonna stop with the black and the white because these are the colors that I will wear. I think there's probably a neutral color as well. Yeah, but I was really tempted by those very soft pink ones, but you guys, I'm not gonna wear pink shoes. I just like pink, that's all. But anyway, if you like these, check them out. Go around, go down in my description box and click on the link and check them out, and I highly suggest them. And again, they are true to size, super comfortable right out of the box, and I think that you would enjoy them. So I wanted to share those with you today before we get into the epic unboxing. All right, guys, not trying to delay or dilly-dally. You know I can't stand that, but I feel like I should show you my bag of the day because I pulled it out and I do use this one quite a bit. It's my big artsy stay. Okay, with the little pear, Coach pear charm. I love it, you guys. It's, you know, relatively lightweight. Of course, I do have it packed to the gills today, but I do enjoy using this bag. And I do use it over my shoulder. It's not really meant to be a shoulder bag, but I do use it as a shoulder bag. Why is that not? That's annoying. Okay. Anyway, I do use it as a shoulder bag, and I love it. I can't say that I use the black one that much. But anyway, I am using this beautiful artsy today, and I love it. All right, guys. Let's go ahead and do the unboxing, and I will share with you how this all came about. All right. So I wanted this bag when it first came out, and I told, when I was in Philly with Autumn and Eva, they know that I wanted this bag, and I said, I'm not going to get it because I know it's going to go on discount after the summer. So it was one of the new releases, like in the spring for the summer collection. And with Coach, honestly, I don't know what to tell you guys, because if you see something that you really want, especially if it's not a classic, I think, well, you should grab it. If it's a classic, it's usually going to be there, but this I didn't know. I just knew it was a seasonal bag and I really wanted it, and I held up. So let's open up the box, the Coach box. And I must say, guys, I've been a good girl this entire summer. I really have not done much damage at all. I haven't been scrolling and shopping. I mean, I just have too much on my plate right now, really, in my personal life. And we got to get baby Drew home from the hospital, but he's doing well. He's still having feeding issues. My friend, who's a lactation consultant, she messaged me, works with babies that have special needs, and she turned me on to this special kind of bottle, a Medela bottle. I'm going to put that in the description box as well. They're expensive, but if you have a baby that just doesn't latch on and doesn't suck like most newborns do, I think it's worth it. But anyway, okay, so when I had stated in one of my videos that I really missed the mark on this, look at that pretty pink ribbon. Is it coming off or is it blowing out? But it's a soft pink ribbon. And one of my subscribers, hey girl, you know who you are, she messaged me and said she knew where to get this bag, that she was getting one, and she turned me on to her SA, gave me the number, and I called and I secured the bag. So I'm so excited. So off with the ribbon, the dust bag. All right, guys, so I haven't really been shopping or even looking on the Coach website, but oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm just gonna stop yapping. I don't even know what I was about to say. Okay, guys, are you ready? Bam! You guys, thanks to one of my fabulous subscribers, I was able to get this bag. I wanted it so bad because I've always wanted the Dior bag, the one like Dale has. But you guys, I'm not going to pay $6,000 or how much ever ridiculous amount their wicker bag is. And I wanted this when I first saw it. And like I said, I told my friends, Eva and Dawn, I'm not going to go there. Oh my gosh. Look how beautiful. Oh my goodness. So let me spin it around for you. I'm a big fan of the Rogue. I only have one tiny cherry Rogue, but I am hoping to change that. I'd love to have a black one. But this one, you guys, I wanted it so bad, and when I thought I had missed the mark, I was so sad. And one of my subscribers turned me on to it. Okay, so inside is the straps. Oh my gosh, okay. Oh my gosh, okay. What is going on here? Okay, so here's a thick strap, adjustable, because Coach, they know how to do straps, right? Okay, and yeah, I love it. Okay, so this is a thick version, and I guess this, why do we have two straps? Would this be a shoulder version? I'm not sure, but anyway, I don't even know what I'm doing here, but anyway, I didn't realize it came like this. Two other straps, the thinner ones, and then here are the D-rings right here, here, on each side, okay? It's on each side. And let me open it up. Now this bag is pricey. It's suede on the inside. Wow, this is so nice, you guys. Very pricey bag. I paid the regular price for it, $6.95. Wicker Rogue 20. And look how fabulous. The inside is suede. Oh my gosh, so cute. Ooh, it'd be cute with what I'm wearing today. I have on a pair of yellow shorts and this little kind of rust color top, so that would be perfect. Oh my gosh, I'll probably use it handheld a lot, and I guess shoulder or crossbody. I guess that's why it has these straps on there. So let's go ahead and put the skinny strap on there. I guess this is the way it goes. The Dior, I've always been in love with that Dior wicker bag. I've seen it in person, and there's just no way, you guys. I'm just so over some of the prices with these fashion houses, and that's why I have really cut back this year. I just haven't been shopping for, you know, expensive bags. I have been looking on the website, maybe thinking about getting a Speedy 20, but not the new one in monogram, because I don't like that strap. I know I could sell it, but I don't know. That's just annoying to me to have to do that. I don't know. I'm not good at selling items. But anyway, okay. So does that look right? I don't know. You could wear it as a shoulder bag. So I'll stand up and let you guys see what it looks like on me. Oh, that is cute. Look at that. Oh my goodness, I love it. So cute. All right, and then this one I can adjust and wear it crossbody. Now, I may or may not wear it crossbody, probably not so much. It would just depend on where I'm going. I like it like this. I probably have it on wrong. I'm not sure. Does this look right, you guys? Is it supposed to be like this? I guess it is, because here's the little top handle. And I feel like I'll probably use it like that a lot, or top handle. But I'm so happy to have this bag in my collection. It's totally different, and that's the thing. I'm going for things that are different. I'm just being so careful and cautious with what I buy these days. Now the cash-in bag that I got, I don't think I'm gonna keep it, you guys. It just doesn't wow me for some reason. I wanted it so bad, and then it finally went half off, and I'm still wanting to sell it. So I want it for half the price, $125, and that includes shipping and everything. Let me grab it, and if anybody wants it, let me know and I'll send it to you. It's really cute, but I don't know. I just don't think I'm gonna reach for it that much. Here it is, super cute little cash-in with a very strong magnetic closure. It's very strong, you guys, for the small size, and it's cute crossbody. I'll try it on for you. So if anybody wants it, it's $125. And that includes, if I can get that chair out of the way, that includes shipping. So cute. I always wanted the Louis Vuitton version like this, and I just never got it. I remember Winnie had one. I should have bought hers. Anyway, guys. Anyway, I am selling this, so if you are interested, just let me know. But yeah, I'm so excited to have this. So I'm gonna do a first impressions, a review, and what fits on this bag coming up very soon next week. And again, about the try-on video, you guys, everything I ordered had to go back except one item. I'm serious. So annoying. I had that planned, so I have to reorder. I just sent all that stuff back and I was like over it, and so I have to reorder. But anyway, that's really all I have for you guys today. Just a couple of unboxings. Check out these shoes, and because if you like Gucci Princetown loafers, you'll love these. They're so soft and so comfy. I'm not really sure what I have coming up, you guys. I have got to get back into the swing of things, and it's just really hard right now to find the time that I need to find to do all the things that I need to do. And my mom, my sister, and I have to take turns caring for her. I mean, she can care for herself, but as far as feeding her, getting her medicine, taking her where she needs to go, I mean, it's a lot, you guys. I have a lot on my plate right now. And then we have to go to Huntsville this weekend and see little Drew. He had an MRI today, and it was perfect. They'll do a follow-up MRI in exactly 1 month. He had a vision test, or they checked his eyes, and they said everything looked great. So I think he's going to go to a pediatric ophthalmologist in Birmingham when he's released. He's just had some issues, you guys, and it's been a lot. It's been a lot, but things are looking better, and but still no word on when we can bring the baby home. But anyway, I'm super excited and thankful to the subscriber who had messaged me about this. Connie, thank you so much, doll. I am so appreciative. I love this, and I would carry it today, but well, actually the day is practically over. I've been out all day, and now I'm going up to the library to help my sister organize her library and get a bunch of books ready, because she has a lot to do and a little bit of time to do it. And one thing about being stressed out, you guys, you'll lose weight. So I've lost about 6-7 pounds, and that's good. I feel really good about that. But I would like for things to slow down. But I hope to be back on Wednesday and do another video for you. And yeah, I still have a lot of things to say about Meghan and Harry. Somebody came on and said in the comments, don't talk bad about Meghan and Harry. Well, I don't have anything good to say about them. I mean, she's pretty. I mean, she's pretty, but I don't have anything good to say about them. When I talk, that's my opinion, okay? You don't have to agree with me. I don't really care if you agree with me or not. But yeah, I just don't have a lot to say about those two. Anyway, that's all for today. I love you guys so much. Peace.